This is a tutorial on how to do lantern left and right. Lantern is also a pretty simple trick. First, speed up your yo-yo as usual. For lantern, it doesn't really matter whether or not you have a knot, but it might be easier to have one for now. Start off with swinging your yo-yo back and forth, getting comfortable with the motion. We'll start off with trying right lantern since most of you are right-handed. Once you're comfortable with the swinging of your yo-yo left and right, once you swing to the right again, continue swinging upwards and place your stick behind it to support the yo-yo. This is the same with left lantern. Swing back and forth, and once you're comfortable, swing to the left and continue the swing motion upwards, and place your stick behind the yo-yo as support. An important thing you have to keep in mind is where the stick is placed. For both left and right lantern, you must place the stick on the inside of the yo-yo sides. If you place the stick on the outside, the yo-yo isn't going to be able to stay up. Another thing you have to notice is how tilted your stick is when you're supporting the yo-yo. If your stick is tilting instead of being straight, the yo-yo is going to tilt too and eventually fall off. This trick as well, you need to be patient. Remember to watch how much your stick is tilting and always support the yo-yo with your stick on the inside part of the yo-yo.